Welcome everyone to day 10 of affiliate marketing for the digital products. In this particular section, what we are going to be focusing on is the email marketing system. Okay, so email marketing system, what it is and why is it required, and how do we strategize this particular email marketing system? That is our focus area for today. So let's get started. When we talk about email marketing system, as we had actually spoken in our earlier sessions as well, it is one of the ways how we can keep ourselves engaged with our customers. So whoever are the target audience or the prospects that we have, who either have registered for some free gift or some free sessions from your side, all those email IDs when clubbed together, and you can keep on regularly keep sending across mails to give them information about your new learnings, offers, or anything by which you get connected to them. That method is what is email marketing system. Definitely, email marketing system is considered to be one of the most effective method to get good amount of leads from online system. At the same time, this particular method has a real large reach. Okay, because more wider we go based on the emails and our free stuffs. Once we start collecting the data and once we have the email IDs, then it becomes very frequent. You can regularly keep on retargeting the audience who were actually interested into the same niche which you are taking care of. That is the reason we say it has a good amount of reach. It delivers the message really very to the precise. Yes, definitely it takes effort from our side to make sure we use right images, videos on and the content. But once we have designed, we are very confident that it is going to deliver the right message. It is observed and it's been proven that yes, email marketing system is one of the most best strategy to be used to get a good amount of ROIs. Okay, so yes, it gives a higher ROI, and definitely it's one of the most effective tools when we talk from online perspective. So a couple of graphs which I have from a couple of websites, and if you see the trend, email marketing system or the emails actually are one of the best method to get good amount of leads. Yes, we do have WhatsApp, Telegram, and multiple social media platforms which we are using at this particular stage. Especially in 2020, I do see there are many other platforms which are definitely helping us to get good amount of leads, but email marketing definitely is also one of the streams which cannot be ignored. So let's see, how do we really go about with email marketing? What should be the steps? Step 1, have your campaign objectives. What is campaign? Campaign is like, let's assume I have my first campaign which says I want to capture leads. So for that, I create one particular campaign or one particular set of emails where I say, okay, this is my landing page. On my landing page, I'm going to give a free PDF file on tips to get more engagement onto your Facebook groups. Okay, so whoever is interested in this particular PDF file, they need to register, give their email IDs, and in return will get a free PDF file. So when they enter the email ID, after that, I want to keep engaging this particular audience. So next, I say I hope that PDF has been giving you some value. Just to add, these are 1 2 3 4 5 steps. If you take care of these, you will have more amount of engagements on Facebook. Next can be, apart from Facebook, you can also have your website which is required. And how do we collaborate? So some sort of tips and tricks, and it becomes a chain. Okay, so when we have a email marketing tool in place, all we need to do is whoever registers. After that, day 1 send this mail, day 2 send this mail, day 4 send this mail. So we can actually systematically say these are the line of chain of mails which needs to be sent at this particular interval or this particular frequency. Okay, that is exactly what is email marketing. Now this was first campaign example which I gave you for the for just attracting the leads. We may have another campaign which we want to create for those who have already registered into the course. Even though they have already registered, I definitely may have n number of other courses as well which I want to offer. In that case, I keep on again sending some value based information, at the end of which there can be a funnel which can lead them to some other courses. Okay, so this is the logic behind a campaign. For each of different segments or the process of your marketing, you need to have a number of campaigns. Okay, so once you have defined your campaigns, have the KPIs defined. So if I have a campaign for just attracting, that is lead magnet, for the lead magnets, what KPI? KPI is key performance index or the indicators, which is going to give you a confidence that yes, if this is happening, that means I am on a right track. So define your KPIs very well. Design email templates. Uh, for each of the campaign, my suggestion would be always have the same flavor of the emails, but make sure that you can use different color schemes or fonts which actually though they resemble the same, but they are different as well, so it becomes easier to understand. For example, if I have a red theme based camp or the email templates, that means it's for lead magnet. If I have something on green, that means these are the converted members who are already present in my tribe. So have some color schemes which you can define, and that will give you also a comparatively some type of confidence and distinction among different audience. Okay, so design your email templates well accordingly, and then design a landing page. What is the landing page? It is the page which from where they are going to enter the email ID and other sequences. Okay, so landing page is equally very important. Yesterday while surfing, I actually came across one landing page. I will definitely be sharing that link today in our WhatsApp group. Just go through it, you will understand how effective a landing page actually can be. Even if you don't need something which is being offered in that page, you still get attracted and you feel, okay, let's give a try. So that is what should be your landing page as well. Contact list management based on each of the campaigns. If you already have a list of contacts, start adding it. If you do not have, just plan out and make sure that you prepare a separate contact list for each of the campaigns. Have the targeted emails defined and start writing those emails and start them sequentially, just order them and have them properly defined that these are the sequence of emails and this is how it needs to go. Then integrate the website and the email marketing system with each other. And finally, you're going to nurture and convert your target audience. How? It's completely based on the content that you are providing. So this is going to be the end-to-end strategy for email marketing system. If any questions, quickly let me know. So yeah, when we are working on this particular email marketing system, what we need to take care is one, do not have a loopholes in between. Make sure that it has a flow. Okay, that is previous mails and the next mails. There should be some connection. Don't randomly just keep throwing mails. Second, do not spam the mailbox of your target audience. Make sure that not beyond one mail goes on regular base on each day basis. At the same time, daily mails I will never recommend. Plan out your frequency and make sure that email goes on required timelines. Okay, it depending on different niche, the frequency differs, so I cannot give you a defined timeline on the frequency. But yes, based on the niche, just decide what can be the right frequency on which you can send across these mails. So that is all about the strategy. Tomorrow we'll be logging in into Buildroll. Since most of you all have completed onto the website first page, we will now see how we can have a landing page and how we can integrate it with our email marketing system. Okay, so that is all for today. And yeah, let's meet today evening at 8 o'clock. Till then, goodbye.